If you're a woman in perimenopause or postmenopause, creatine might be one of the simplest, most powerful tools you can add to your wellness routine. And today I'm going to break down exactly why creatine is a secret weapon for women over 45, what the science says, and a few things to watch out for. Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Jody, your yoga and menopause coach. I keep it real here, bringing you simple solutions to thrive during menopause and beyond. Let's start with why creatine matters more in menopause. So during menopause, estrogen declines, and when estrogen declines, muscle mass and bone density decline also, which leads to sarcopenia, osteopenia, and osteoporosis. We also experience changes in brain function, brain fog, memory slips, slower recall. Creatine directly supports both muscle and brain, and that's a rare two-punch. So let's get to the big benefits of creatine for women in menopause. Number one, muscle strength and mass. Creatine helps you build and keep muscle even when hormones are working against you. It makes strength training more effective. Number two, bone health. Creatine indirectly supports bone density through improved strength and power, which reduces fracture risk. Number three, energy and recovery. Creatine replenishes ATP, your body's quick energy molecule. You'll recover faster and feel less sore after workouts. Number four, brain health. Studies show creatine can improve memory, focus, and mental clarity. Say goodbye to brain fog and cognitive decline risk. Number five, mood and fatigue. Some evidence shows creatine may improve mood and reduce feelings of fatigue. And that's huge in menopause when fatigue and low motivation are so common. Number six, exercise adherence. When you recover better, workouts feel easier, which means more consistency and long-term results. So let's talk about safety and contraindications. Creatine is safe for most women at standard doses, which is 3 to 5 grams daily. Contraindications. If you have existing kidney disease or significant kidney impairment, you'll want to avoid creatine without a doctor's clearance. Some women may experience mild bloating or water retention at first, which usually subsides. But if that's the case with you and it doesn't go away, consider taking Creapure creatine, which is known for being the purest form of creatine on the market. So how do you take creatine? It's a daily dose of 3 to 5 grams once a day without food. It doesn't really matter what time, but I like taking it post-workout with my protein. Consistency beats timing. It's about saturation, not the exact minute that you take it. So creatine isn't just for bodybuilders and definitely not just for men. It's one of the best researched, safest, and most effective supplements for women in menopause. If you're looking to stay strong, sharp, and energized, this tiny scoop of powder can make a huge difference. And between you and me, I've been working behind the scenes on a creatine supplement formulated specifically for women in menopause. It's not ready yet, but keep an eye out and I'll share more soon. Until then, let me know in the comments, have you ever tried creatine? Or is this the first time you've heard it could help with menopause? I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit like, subscribe for a lot more coming on strength, hormones, and natural ways to thrive in menopause. I'll see you next time.